Friday.
It is March 26th.
March 26th, my mom's birthday. Happy birthday, Mom!
Happy birthday, mother-in-law. Everybody say happy birthday to Marsha.
She's a lovely lady. Anyways, we're going to talk about something that probably a lot of you have when it comes to using the Equalizer Hitch, and that is the dreaded T-Rex
Yes.
scream.
It's rather annoying.
It is rather annoying. Now, Equalizer makes some grease you can put on, but that wears off pretty easy. So we have found something else that we are going to try out, and we'll explain it as we go.
Absolutely.
So we're going to head out here for the weekend. Hopefully the weather will be better this weekend than what we have right now. But if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, share, give us a thumbs up.
And ring that little bell so you know when we get, or so you know when we have a new video come out.
That's right. All right, let's hit the road.
Let's get out of here. We'll
See
talk
ya.
to y'all later.
Bye. Where we at, babe?
Home. We're home. That's where we are.
Well, this might not have been the best way to come.
Just watch your sign.
Watch your side.
You're good on my side.
Hey, everybody. Coming at you live on a Friday night. Anyways, this is important to me because I have celiac disease. And I cannot have wheat, barley, or rye. So if you've noticed in videos, I'm drinking crap. Like, truly. Look at this. Spooky lady. Anyways, I drink these nasty, nasty things because it's really the only thing that I can drink that is gluten-free. Besides straight vodka. But there is one beer that does not taste like apples, does not taste like sorghum. If you are on a gluten-free diet, which you shouldn't be because it's evil. You should only not be eating gluten if you have a disease. Oops. Glutenberg. The best gluten-free beer. This is the IPA. I also have the stout. And they make about 4 other kinds. Try it out. It's real good. I'm an IPA connoisseur, and this is one of the best IPAs I've ever had. Honey, what do you got there? What do you got there?
A tree.
A tree?
Yeah.
You taking your pet stick for a walk?
Yeah.
Oh.
His name is Sam.
We are going to have a BLT off. That doesn't sound right. What'd you call it? Babe?
Huh?
Would you call it a BLT off?
Yeah.
I guess it's a BLT off. Our competitor over there, Mr. Caribou. Oh! What is Dave holding? Everybody, that is Ricky the Kite. I have had Ricky the Kite for probably over 10, 12 years. And last year, way down that way.
Yonder, as we say in these parts.
At the top of the tree, probably about 400 yards down, we lost Ricky at the middle of the pandemic outbreak. I was very sad. And Dave comes back from the FLA, and he sends me a message, says he has something for me. Is he in good shape? Does he have any broken parts? Ricky's alive. Yeah. The best way to make bacon is by twisting it like that.
I don't know. I've never done this before, so.
Well, it makes the best bacon in the world. So, are we putting anything special on our BLT?
Yeah.
Are we?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you tell the audience?
Tomato. You have to put salt and pepper on your
Tomato, yes. Do we have mayonnaise? Of course. Okay. And there you have the perfect BLT.
Well, I'm going to share one of these.
What's Davey got going on over here?
I think it's hot pepper jelly off of whatever that tree is in the yard that they make pepper in the FLA.
So this is his secret ingredient, I think. So how is the gluten-free BLT?
It wasn't bad. That bread wasn't as disgusting as you had described it as.
Yeah, it is. You had a good point. Gluten-free bread's pretty dry anyway, so it goes well when you toast it and
Put something wet on it, it doesn't get soggy.
No! We put decorations out like a lot of people do. This box that actually holds
Candles or
succulents. This little thing up here. We got that plant over on the table. And actually the magnet board on the fridge, is all held on. Well, we first tried, what did we try first? Velcro.
We did. We tried the 16-pound Velcro that's made by Command Hook, I believe, is who makes it. That stayed up for like a week.
Yeah.
And then we came out to the camper one day and it was on the ground. So that didn't work. So I did a little bit of research and I found and heard things about people using double-sided acrylic tape. And we got this on Amazon and the company is named EZlifego. So EZlifego all smashed together.
It's very squishy.
It is. This is supposed to be removable, washable, and you can reuse it, apparently, but I'm not going to do that. So we actually taped down this box that John made. It does not move. This was a gift from, I think Andrea and Dave got this for me for my birthday. Mm-hmm. So we traveled all the way down here and nothing has moved.
No.
So
We would recommend this.
yes, absolutely. I don't remember, but Amazon EZlifego double-sided acrylic.
Here, I'll get a picture of the little logo on there. There you go.
So we'll see how it does in the heat.
Yeah, we haven't had major temperature changes, so
Right.
once that happens, we'll
And
update.
it is
It is very sticky.
sticky. But we'll let you know.
Okay. We're going to now install these sway bracket jackets, and they simply just go right on top of here to keep the Tyrannosaurus Rex from appearing. So let's install them, see how it goes.
Yep.
So it's flat on this side. You have a little bit of an indent here. It looks like that just goes down. So you go in, and that's it. Little sway bracket jackets. Still do have a little bit of moaning coming from back there, but I'm not sure it's coming from that end. It's definitely less. No popping or snapping. That definitely is gone.
Right.
So once they get wore in a little bit, we'll have to do another review and see if all of our T-Rex sounds have stopped coming from the White Hawk.
Yeah. So we had a good weekend.
We sure did. Just a little bit of
Just a little getaway.
getaway.
A little relaxation.
We won't be able to camp here for the next few weeks because Gavin's leaving for the Air Force boot camp, and don't want to be anywhere where we can't get a phone call from them because they don't get to make very many phone calls the first couple weeks of boot camp.
Yep. So having been through a child being in BMT in the past, you literally walk around with your phone glued to you. You never set it down because you don't know when that phone call is going to come. So it was a nice weekend.
It was a wonderful
very
weekend.
Very relaxing.
Yep, I
Good
saw
food.
a lot of people were out camping, and
Yep.
at least people were opening up their campers, and
We saw a lot of that this weekend. People starting to get things ready and hauling furniture and golf carts and
Yeah.
wood and
repairing things from what the winter destroyed.
No, it's late for us going home today.
Yeah, it's almost 4
It's
o'clock.
almost 4 o'clock. We
We just got on the road.
didn't get up early today. We didn't do anything.
It was a nasty, windy rainstorm last night.
Oh.
Felt like the camper was going to blow over.
Woke me up.
Yeah.
I had to ask John. I was like, what in the world is going on outside? I mean, it was bad all of a sudden.
Yeah.
But, yeah, didn't get up early this morning. Made a makeshift brunch because we really weren't planning on, or didn't plan to stay as late as we did. So, it was good. Hung out, went for a walk. We did a lot of walking
this
through
weekend.
camp
Yeah.
this weekend, and encountered a tree across the road.
I tried to move it. Probably weighed about 1,000 pounds, so that didn't happen.
But he said it would be fine. He said, I can move it by myself.
I thought I could.
Yeah. So we just stepped over it and kept on walking. And
Somebody will come get it with a chainsaw.
yeah. Do you have anything else to say?
I'm done.
All right. We're going to get out of here, you guys. Until we talk to you again, remember the only thing better than a campfire are the memories you make around it. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.